In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark up plans with notes in Stack. First things first, to get started, we'll need to access the Stack platform, which is an incredible tool for managing your project plans. Begin by heading over to the Stack login page. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to click on the one you want to use today. After you've successfully logged in, you'll want to locate your desired project. Do this by clicking on Projects in the main menu. This will bring up a list of all the projects you currently have on your plate. Select the one that you wish to work on. This takes you to the project interface, where you can see all the components of your project laid out beautifully. From there, your next step is to click on Plans and Takeoffs. This is where you will be managing and editing your plan documents. As you navigate through your project, you will find a View button. Give that a click. This action will open up the detailed plan view, where you can see the entire expanse of your project's layout. Next, you'll want to make your way to the Annotation option. This is where the power of Stack really comes into play, allowing you to add detailed notes and highlights to your plans. When you click on Annotation, you'll see several tools at your disposal. Let's explore these, as they provide diverse ways to enhance your plan markup. Start with the Highlight tool. It's incredibly useful for drawing attention to specific areas on your sheet. Simply draw a colorful box around any content you wish to emphasize. Remember, the highlight color is customizable, so you can pick a shade that stands out or that fits your project's visual theme. Another useful feature is the Cloud tool. This lets you create cloud outlines anywhere on your plan, allowing you to encircle parts that need special attention or review. As with the highlight feature, the cloud color can also be customized to suit your preferences. Then there's the Callout tool, which you can use to add text bubbles to your plans. This is a perfect way to provide additional information or important notes directly on your layout. The bubble's color and font size can be adjusted as needed to ensure visibility. If measurements are part of your markup, the Dimension Line tool is just what you need. It provides a clear visual representation of linear distances. You can customize both the line color and font size for clarity and style. For general notes, clicking on the Text Box tool allows you to insert text anywhere on your plan. This feature is simple yet effective, providing a great way to add descriptions or annotations. Customize the font size and color as desired. Lastly, include a legend to complete your markup. This color-coded legend provides a quick reference to the plan's takeoffs and measurement/count totals. You can also adjust the font size and toggle the visibility of these totals on or off as required. By following these steps, you'll effectively mark up your plans in Stack, making your project management process smoother and more organized.